Hell
Yo, what's going on? Here with a quick review of the TOA shaver from TOA AI TO. I don't know. It's the foil shaver from Suprent. Shout out to Suprent. First off, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? But shout out to Suprent for actually sending me this. And this is the shaver here. They actually had my name on it. Now, this is not something that they only sent to me. You can actually get your logo, name, whatever you want it printed on it if you just order it from their website, or you can go to Amazon. I think this with the print on it is like $129, $130, something like that. So you can go do that. But as far as the shaver, right? This is the shaver. I need to clean mine out, but this is the shaver here. Black top on silver, chrome. Let me see what comes in it first, right? Let's unbox this for a second. It does come with its own charging dock. When I say this charging dock is light, it's not even a charging dock. So I don't want to say charging dock. It's a stand, all right? It's a stand that can hold it. It's not a charging dock, but it comes with a dock. It's very light, like all plastic. The box that comes with the accessories is the extra black foil. So if you don't, if that foil damages or whatever, it keeps coming off with both of them. But that damaged foils or whatever, foil's damaged, you got another foil. Comes with a velvet bag that also has your cleaning brush in it. And then it also has your charging cable, which is a rope charging cable. Like, it's not the plastic that can get jammed up, which I like. I do like that though. But I've actually just been using it. It actually holds a charge pretty good, right? But nonetheless, if I can get it open. All right. So this is the foil shaver. Again, with your logo on it, silver, right? Or chrome. Sound. This shaver here, I think without your logo on it, it's like $109. And for the price, it is a pretty decent shaver. It's tough when it's comparable, when it's on the market against a FX3 or Andis Vanish, or a Wild Vanish, not an Andis, but the Andis T, the shaver. You got the FX2 shaver foils. The difference is the price, of course, but for the price, it's decent, especially if you want your own logo. You might want to put you something on it. That's cool too. I'll leave the link down in the description. As far as performance, it's decent. It grinds. It doesn't give a smooth shave. So it's like once the stubble is down, like it has to be down, like down. And then you can go over it kind of smooth. But as far as going against the grain with it, it's kind of rough. You know what I mean? Is this something that I say rush out and get? Not necessarily. I hate to say that because they did send it to me with my logo on it, which I do like my logo, right? It's my logo. It's me. It's cause by Reggie, right? It's mine, right? But I still have to be real and kind of put it out there. This is not something that you have to run out and get. I can't even say like, if you're on a budget, this is what you should get, because if you're on a budget, you can get the FX3. The FX3 is like $109. It's not custom made, so you don't put your logo on it, but it gets the job done a lot smoother. That's what I would, if you looking for a cheaper product, I would say run to get that. That's my opinion. But yeah, that is as y'all can tell by my time, I don't have a lot to say about it. Without really just saying that no, you know what I mean? Like, you know, my main thing in my videos is this something that you should rush out and get? No. Will this shaver replace any other shaver that you have? I mean, unless you have a like a Walmart, like a shaver that you bought from Walmart or something like that. I don't see this being one that you're like, oh, this is my go-to. If you get it, you will like it, but I don't think you need to go get it. That's my opinion. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we'll be back with another video here soon. But that is the shaver. What is it called? I don't know if that's even a name or it's a abbreviation, but it's the foil shaver FS255. Can y'all see my makeshift stand right there? I got like dip and go. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the video. And we'll be back with another video here very soon. Peace.